Okay, let's take that beach theme from the last video and turn it into a happy little island in the middle of the ocean. Alright, as always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. The shirt has been flipped inside out since this will be ice dyed, and I'm just going to pick a random spot and make a little island. Make the island any size you want. I'm going to go ahead and work with the first color. And this does not need to follow the island. Next. And one more. I think I'm going to let that go. We'll do this tied up here, and go up there somewhere. Alright, I'm going to start by tying this, and then we'll work out. Now we're going to take this and tie it up. For this, I'm just going to pinch this, and I'm just going to try do what amounts to an accordion type of thing, trying to keep all of that together. I'll do it about halfway and then flip to the other side. You could also tie this up with stitching. You can usually get away with just pulling this up here at the tippy top. Yeah, let me get that in shape. And it's not like it has to be exact. We're making a little island. Alright, go ahead and call that good. And go on to the next. Tie that off really well. We'll go to the next. The ocean and waves, so I don't really need to be concerned with too much precision. Like this is a little too close, so I'm just going to ignore that bit and go as close as I can. Alright, one more round. Alright, now this is part of this blue area here, so we'll get to that, just making sure all of this isn't part of this. And I'll just work my way around this, trying not to tie my thumb into it. There we go. We have these two little floofs over here. Go ahead and do that. Pull that back in. Wrinkle that up. Pull that back in. There we go. Let's see if I can get that without doing any rubber bands to temporarily hold that. Pull this. Just go this way just to add a little bit of what I hope to be some variety in those waves. You don't have to go perfectly straight on all these. You can do some angles and everything to it. Alright. Alright, I'm going to do a bit close to it down here. And then just one more I'm not even going straight. I went a lot of different ways. And then this is going to tuft up. And the dog realized I'm in here again. Alright. Off to die. Alright. Using chamois, amber waves, sea glass, Cayman Isle green, robin's egg blue, bluebird, Grateful Dyes bright azul, and custom colors blue royal. I'm going to throw ice down across this and then go ahead and dye it. Oh, and before I get started, I did let this dry completely like I did the beach version. We'll let that melt through and then flip it over like we did with the beach. Alright, it is melted through, well, mostly. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. Add some soda ash. Add ice and dye. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through. Alright, time for the wash up. Alright, let's take a real quick look here. So I'll go through this in the washing machine and we'll take a final look. Alrighty, here's the front. Here's the back. Alright, I'm really happy with this one too. The island shirts are as good as the beach shirts. Okay, so I view this in two different ways. This could be like a mountain, and then we have the foliage here, and maybe there's a little ring around it, and this is all foliage too. Or this is just the island, this is the sandbar, and then we have the shallows and the deep. Whatever, it's awesome, and I really like doing this shirt. I have another one being batched currently. I'm going to see how many of these that I can put out on Etsy as well, in different sizes. We'll see how that goes. If you like them, if you want to try one, cool. If you like it and you want to buy one, hey, go to my Etsy, because these are cool. Alright, so, let's see. I don't have any negatives. I mean, normally, you know me, the whole white thing, and this is, no, this is cool because it's like cresting waves, or maybe there's a tsunami coming or something. I don't know, but it's cool and I like it. Alright, I think that's as many times as I've said cool and I like it on any shirt I've ever made a video of. What are your thoughts? Suggestions on something else you'd like me to try? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.